Let's explore our voice and play with our voices using a shape. Let's start at the top with the highest part of our voice, and this will be the lowest part of our voice. Let's use the neutral syllable ooh. Ready? Giving children the opportunity to play with their voice and explore the high and low ranges of their voices is an important developmental skill and helps musically and with literacy. One way to do this is playing with the shapes of letters. Let's do the shapes of the letters in Utah. This is the high part of the voice. This is the low part of the voice. Here we go. U, T, E, A,